an Israeli journalist in the Israeli newspaper called Haaretz, who said that to most Israelis, the Palestinians are not just subhuman, they are sub-animal. He said the 30,000 fatalities in Gaza to date, to them, are just a number, nothing more. What is this having? What type of impact is this having upon your child and mine? A few weeks ago, I saw my child, a 5-year-old, the youngest, walking around with his arms out of his sleeves, flapping the sleeves. I said, Baba, what are you doing? He said to me, I'm just trying to imagine how I'm going to feel when I am bombed and I lose my arms like my cousins in Gaza. And though as parents we try very hard to shield their eyes and shield their ears from constant exposure to brutality, but how much can you do when most of their family has gone? So I ask the question again, what type of impact is this having on them when with the passage of time you begin to accept that this is a portrayal of reality, this is my identity, I must accept it, I will not be enraged by a media bias, I will not be enraged by the sight of blood, it is normal to see Muslim children or Arabs or their likes being killed. And this is an inferior ummah that can never lead if it grows with this type of mentality.